Hello and welcome back to channel Tea Lover. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. After watching this video, if you have any problem regarding the ransomware virus, you can directly message us through the Instagram account, and I have also write some blog on zaps ransomware virus and many more. You can check it. I will put this link in the description of this video. Okay, as well know, we are getting back-to-back ransomware attack on our PC, and today we are going to talk about the .zaps extension ransomware virus. We are getting lots of messages on our Instagram account, so I'm going to make this video how to recover ransomware virus. Please don't skip this video and watch till the end. And if you have any problem regarding this after watching this video, please message us in our Instagram ID. Okay, let's move to the video without wasting any more time. In a start, I'm telling you that we can recover virus from the C drive of our disk. We can only recover virus effective file from drive D, A and etc. We can't recover file from the C drive. First of all, we need to format our PC so that we can delete the virus from our PC, and after that we'll download the software and recover our file. If you don't know how to format our PC, then follow me. Go to the search button and type reset. Click on reset this PC. Click on get start. Click on remove everything. This will format your PC and delete all the data from your C drive. I strongly recommended you to click on remove everything. After complete format your PC, go to giveawaymonos2054.com.mp. This link is in the description of this video, and click on .zaps ransomware data recovery process blog and download software from here. Click on this.
So you will find here a drive link over here, and you can download the software over here. Okay, so this software is already downloaded by me, and you can see this. So it required a password over here. I have just written that password in the blog also. Just check out the blog. Okay, so here is the password over here. Okay, you see the password. So I'm just going to extract this file. So for extracting this file, you have to use extract this file. So select your location. You can choose anything. I'm just choosing the default location. Now choose a password as a Tea Lover. So it is being extracted over here. You can see that this is our file. So you have to just click on it. You will see a setup over here. Now you have to run a normal setup over here. Okay, so just click on that. It takes only 30 seconds to install this application, but remember one thing, you have to crack the software. Without cracking, you cannot retrieve the data. Just click on the OK. So it will install over here. So always download this software from my site only, because you can find this crack software and you will not able to recover the data if you do not crack this software. So I'll show you. If you do not crack the software, you can see a demo bar on the software over here. Okay, so let's see. We'll see the demo bar on the top of the software. If you haven't cracked the software, then you will just click on the over here and it will ask for activation key, or you'll just see a demo option in the top bar. So we have to remove this demo to get our data back. So I'm just closing this, close this, and for cracking you have to move that folder. So you can see a crack folder over here. Click on the crack and you have to select the bit of your computer. I'm selecting the 64-bit. So here are the 3 files, but you need a 4 file over here. So one file will be in the DR folder. Okay, so you will just copy this. Okay, you will go one step back, you will paste this thing over here, and all together you will have a 4 file over here. So copy this 4 file. Now you will minimize this and you will search for the stellar data recovery shortcut in the desktop. Now you will click on the right of this stellar data recovery shortcut, and you can see a open file location over here. Just click on that and you will redirect to the local disk C installation folder. Okay, so you have to just paste this thing, paste over here, and you have to replace this thing. So do this for all and continue. Now it's done and we have successfully cracked our software. Now we'll check our software, it is cracked or not. So you can see that there is no demo option in the top bar of this stellar data recovery. Okay, so it means that our software has been successfully cracked and we are able to recover our file now. First thing you will do is you have to remove this all data, because if you click on this all data, then it might take 10 to 12 hours to scan your hard drive. Okay, so it will take a lot of time. Do not go for this all data, but I recommend you to use the one at a time. If you need a Word and Excel file, then click on the Office document. Or you will need a photo, click on the photos. Or you will need audios, go for audio. If you need a video, then go for the video at once. Okay, so one at a time. So if you, this thing will really help you. So I'm just selecting the photos over here. Okay, so just click on the next option. Now you have to select a drive, from which drive you have to recover your data. Okay, so right now I have only C drive, so I'm just plugging a pen drive over here. So it doesn't matter from where you are just recovering the file. I'm just selecting the external drive over here. You can select the DEF, that specific drive you have infected in your PC. So this is the my drive over here. Okay, so as you see that there is a completely formatted pen drive. I'll just retype some data from this. Okay, so select your drive and we'll just go for the scan. But before going for scan, you have to enable the deep scan on the left of your software. Okay, so just click on the deep scan and you will go for scan option. So it might take a lot of time to, so I'm just skipping this part. I'll show you the part after being the complete over this. Okay, so here our scan has been successfully complete over here. Okay, so you can see a pop-up over here. Okay, so you have to close this pop-up. You will see a raw data folder in the left part of the software. Okay, so just click on that raw data and you can get the respective data on this folder. So if you need a BMP file, then you will get that BMP file inside it. So like this. So if you want JPG file, then you can find this JPG file like this, and if you want PNG file, you will find this like this. Respectively, if you go for document, then you will find a Excel file, Word file or PDF file in a different folder. You will get your data back. So after selecting the folder, you have to just click on the recover option and you have to select the destination where you want to recover the file, and you can recover your file. But I want to tell you that many viewers are just commenting me that they are just having this recover file in the same format of that virus extension. Like if they want to recover that tlover file, then just they are getting the tlover file at tlover.wit. So I want to tell you that this happens because the virus has not been completely removed from your PC. So first thing, you have to remove that virus completely from your PC. If you do not remove your virus from your PC, then this will again be in your PC, so that you will not able to recover your file. Resetting PC does not work for you, then please use the bootable pen drive to format your PC. That also still does not work for you, then you can use a strong antivirus for removing the virus. So after doing this, please try this method, then it will 100% recover your data. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit for the like option, press on the subscribe button to get the latest update. Thank you, thanks for the support.